Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to learn about how we can check our scheduled rides and where are they and when they are going to arrive. So basically I'm also going to tell you how to book a scheduled drive. So let's start. Click on the Uber app. After opening the Uber app, let it load. It may take some time depending on your network data. Now from here you can see this is a user interface basically, and this is the search bar where you search where you want to go and where is your current location. So just come back and here click on this clock button which is located on right top corner. So now here is a basic area where you can reserve a trip for your future plans. So basically now you have to just set the data time. So suppose I'm setting data time for like Tuesday 11 July and time will be around 12 p.m. 12 a.m. Nice. I'm gonna go at night. So this is basically how you reserve a trip. So here we can clearly see the information given 12 a.m. Tuesday 11 July. Now you just need to make sure, and here are extra options which say choose your exact pickup time up to 90 days in advance. So we can you can set our pickup time around for like 3 months before, and extra wait time included to meet your trip. Cancel at no charge up to 60 minutes in advance. So after ordering this reserve a trip, you can you can cancel it within 60 minutes. So just we're gonna set pickup time. After that we are going to pick up a location like this. Set up pickup location where to like Banjara Market, Sector 70, Gurgaon. And basically now we can see the rides available on this date and how we can go, what will be the cost. So suppose I just select this Uber XL for 6 people, and this is telling me 11.95, which is of course too costly, but we're gonna move on to that point. Now we have to select our payment method. We can do it in cash, Paytm, or by adding credit or debit card. So just we're gonna come back after that. After this, now we need to click on reserve Uber XL. Now this will reserve our Uber XL and now confirm pickup. After this, reserving your trip, it will load and it will say you will be picked up 155 2 near Acharya Narendra Dev College at 12. Now need a trip back. No, I don't need a trip back because I'm not going anywhere. You just need to come back, click this left corner, and now you can see the user face again. Now if you want to visit again, now if you want to find where is your scheduled drive, now click on activity here at bottom. Here you can see upcoming Uber XL confirmed 11 July 12 a.m. Click on that. Fetching your details, Uber XL pickup at 12 a.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. Now this is where you can see everything about the scheduled drive that you did and that you reserved. So now I'm just gonna cancel it because I don't wanna go anywhere. Cancel reservation. Here's how you can also cancel reservation. Now it is cancelled, and as you can see, this was the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Now I will see you in the next one. Bye.